Amid growing global competition between global manufacturing companies working to build smart factories, Samsung SDS is at the forefront of accelerating intelligent plant business with Nexplant. Samsung Nexplant provides integrated services at all stages, including plant engineering, construction, and operation based on the 3DX platform that standardizes multiple data sets between global vendors. In the engineering phase, massive amounts of data, including facilities, piping, etc., is standardized to match the site layout to the floor plan. When it comes to construction, data analytics enables efficient material placement, optimized facility layouts, and informed staffing decisions. In the operational phase, the plant safety is managed in real time with IoT-based monitoring and on-site measures. Samsung Nexplant enables intelligent manufacturing that monitors and analyzes manufacturing sites around the world in real time to optimize manufacturing operations. AI-based engineering collaboration platform empowers you to quickly respond to issues that arise in the manufacturing site. And deep learning-based automated defect detection improves its accuracy. For a safety-focused facility, large troves of data collected from edge devices are managed more quickly and accurately using edge computing. In material handling areas, the movement of products is managed in a single process based on the integrated intelligent logistics platform. And AI technology automatically enables root cause failure analysis and recovery of the facility to boost efficiency in material handling of the entire plant. For an intelligent plant that goes beyond the smart factory, gain a global competitive advantage with the fast and reliable platform-based service of Samsung Nexplant.